tahanan. I'm super fresh for today because, you know, my water na kanina sa banyo. So, nakaligo ang inyong lola. So, asaya pag nakaligo ka na hindi ka nagtitipid sa tubig. So, dumating na yung order ko sa Shopee. Girls, dumating na yung order ko sa Shopee. Ito ay Sace Lady. Actually, itong Sace Lady na to is recommended ng aking pinsan na si AP. Hello, hello sa'yo, AP. From Baraswain. Hello, hello sa mga taga-Baraswain dyan at sa mga kamag-anakan ko na nanonood ng aking channel. Salamat sa inyong suporta. Maraming salamat talaga. So, ito na. Dumating na siya. So, I'm so excited pag may dumadating na package. By the way, guys, this is all less than 500 pesos, which meron na tong 4 na products. So, let's see and let's dive in here. Girls, this one is the matte long wearing liquid foundation in the shade 02. It has 15 ml. Ito yung itsura niya. Hindi siya glass, plastic yung bote niya. So, it comes with a pump, which is good. And ito yung itsura niya, packaging niya. Not so luxurious looking because this is just 112 pesos na foundation. And next, this illuminating liquid highlighter. Oh, parehas lang din siya ng itsura, girls. Yan. This is in the shade 01. It's a plastic, which is good. Pwedeng ibaon sa makeup kit kasi hindi ka mag-aalala kung mababasag. By the way, this one is 12 ml in the shade 01. Girls, this one is 110 pesos. So, ayun. So, let's proceed naman with this Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow. It's a long wearing lightweight. So, ayan, girls. So, ayan. Ang ganda. I'm so excited with this one. It looks... Yung packaging nito, girls, ang ganda. It looks luxurious, right? By the way, this is 98 pesos, girls. 98 lang itong liquid eyeshadows, shimmering, splendid. So, parang itsura niya yung, kakatulad niya yung itsura yung Stila, if you're familiar with Stila. But I don't have Stila, so try ko to. So, I hope this one works. It looks nice. Mukhang luxurious talaga yung packaging nito. Ang cute ng itsura niya. Next, let's proceed with the full coverage concealer in the shade 03, girls. And this is just 6 ml. So, pare-parehas yung bote niya, girls. Ganito rin siya, oh. And I'm expecting that this is also the pump. So, para siyang ganito, girls. Oh. Airless pump. Mukha siyang airless pump. So, I'm excited if this one is airless pump. Ang saya lang. So, girls, ito yung nakakatawa. Meron siyang free sponge. And meron siyang free nitong... Teka. So, may free siyang ganito, girls. Concealer brush. O, diba? And then, may libre rin si seller na sponge. Ang cute ng sponge. This is cute pink. Pink sponge. Yan. Pink sponge. Nakikita ko to parang itsura nung kay Jeffree Star. Yung ganito. Yan, yung side. Tapos merong eye shape. Teardrop shape. Tama ba? So, ayan. So, babasahin ko lang to. Ito yung panggagamit kong foundation. Alam mo yun, ang saya lang, I wonder kung paano sila nagkaroon ng libreng sponge which sobrang salambot niya, girls. Alam mo, di ba binibenta to around mga 100 plus pesos. Tapos yung iba pa, nagre-range at least 1,000, 300 pesos, mga ganun. Tapos ito sobrang lambot niya. I never had ng ganitong blending sponge na sobrang lambot. So, let's try this. I'm so excited with this product. So, let's get started, girl. Mumula ko. So, ilalagay ko lang siya dito. So, ayan, guys. Okay naman siya. Hindi naman siya liquidy. So, ano siya? Thick. Yung foundation niya, thick yung consistency niya. So, i-apply ko na to. Ang puti. Puti nito sa akin. So, ayun, girls. Maling shade ang nakuha ng lola mo. But, to save time, I'll be making a separate review for this foundation, okay? So, let's proceed now with my foundation. So, ito yung itsura ng foundation niya. Di-pump din siya, which is nice. O, yan. Ito yung kulay na nakuha ko. In the shade 03, I think, sakto lang yung kulay niya kasi gusto kong matakpan ang aking under eye area. So, gagamitin natin yung libre na foundation brush, which ang saya sa mga consumer kapag ka nagbibigay si seller ng mga libreng products. So, ayan. O, ayan. This has a thick consistency, girls. So, yan. Best. I'm glowing! May radiant factor na bibigay ito, which I'm liking. So, ayan, natakpan naman niya ang aking dark under eye, tsaka yung konting discoloration ko dito sa aking eye area. So, I have here with me this highlighting liquid glow highlighter. So, girls, itong highlighter na to, pwede din itong ihalo sa foundation eh. So, itry natin ihalo, ha? Maglagay ako, tapos a little bit. Okay, so, let's make this well. And let's see, lalagay ko na lang dito sa aking kamay kung okay siya. Nilagyan ko to ng liquid highlighter, which ang ganda kapag nilagyan nyo yung foundation nyo and then naglagay kayo nitong shimmer. Meron kasing iba, ayaw nung ganun. Pero ako, okay lang sa akin kahit lagyan ko ng liquid highlighter yung foundation para mas mukhang dewy. Pero with this finish, as you can see naman, parang hindi na kailangan kasi parang napaka-dewy na yung itsura ng aking face. So, kailangan ko to i-set with powder, girls. I will finish the rest of my face and be right back to you and let's test this out. Highlighter and itong liquid eyeshadow. So, ayan guys, I did not expect na ganito kaganda yung eyeshadow. I'm hands up ako. I don't have any complaints with the eyeshadow. Nag-dry up siya and sobrang pigmented niya, girls. Pag nag-dry up, makikita mo na talaga yung color niya. Ang ganda ng color payoff niya. And then, next na nagustuhan ko is, of course, this highlighter. Girl, bam! Ang presyo nito is 110. And girl, sobrang bling-bling. Ang ganda! I like this and it also stay in place, which I love. Hindi siya kumakalat. It's just stay in place kung saan ko siya nilagay. So, this is good. So, girls, for this full cover concealer, girl, for me, I don't love this, but I don't hate this. Okay, gets, nasa middle lang tayo. Maybe because kasi natakpan niya talaga yung under eye area ko. Okay naman yung coverage niya kahit 2 coats yung nilagay ko. Yun nga lang, parang nakikita ko nagkakaroon ng fine lines, which I don't like for a concealer. But, I will test this out again and see kung may mali lang ba ako sa application. I will play with this pa rin and get back to you for my update regarding this concealer. So, girls, this is the final look ng Sace Lady Full Face. That's it, girls, for today's video. I hope that you do enjoy this video. So, hit the thumbs up button. And dun sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe sa akin, girl, you're very much welcome. So, i-click niyo yung subscribe button and yung katabi. So, you'll get notified for my next kagandang videos. And guys, let's be friends. So, follow me in my social media accounts. In my Facebook, it's Liah Kate. In my Instagram, it's Liah Jansaline. And for my Twitter, it's Liah Kate. So, girls, see you again, guys, for my next kagandahang video. So, girls, see you again in my next kagandahang videos. Bye!